Lamu Island is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It holds a lot of history dating back to the 14th century and is a popular tourist destination in Kenya with one of the best sunsets you'll get to see. The narrow streets of Lamu make it the only town in Kenya with no vehicles. Primarily, the means of transport used to be donkeys, but in recent times, motorbikes are allowed. The architecture of Lamu is reminiscent of the Swahili-style building using coral and limestones, which makes the houses on this island to be hundreds of years old. Further, maybe 200 meters from the shores of the Indian Ocean lies Andavelo House. Andavelo House is a few hundred years old and recently restored to its current state. The house has several rooms with a common sitting area for the guests and staff, who make meals and are very helpful throughout your stay. Entering the main door of Andavelo directly ahead is the kitchen that has all the standard amenities. Here, you can make your meals, or the full-time staff on the premises can be of service. The common area has more than enough space for all the guests to sit while still being private. The first dining table close to the kitchen sits 5 people with the Swahili house styling. The furniture is made of hardwood with the same design accents throughout the space. Another dining table provides even more space to share a meal. Several other common area seats are made of stones and cushions placed on them for even more sitting area. This house was designed to offer utmost relaxation, and the open roof design lets in a lot of light and a cool breeze since Lamu is a hot and humid region. In the middle of the premise, a tiny pool historically was how the Swahili would build their houses to provide a quick, relaxed dip any time of the day. The pool has flowers that make it feel connected to the nature outside and a reminder that you are on the coast. There's a massage room available for guests throughout the day. The coral stones smoothened with soapstones add to the Andavelo House beauty. The steps lead you to your rooms, and again, the design accents are consistent throughout the house. The rooms are spacious, and the high ceiling makes the room feel spacious. The window spaces are completely open with no glass or barrier, letting in fresh air throughout the day. The bed in the room is nothing short of magnificent. They resemble the beds a wealthy Swahili house would have, with their high legs and a side stool to get on it. The room has a partition section with a desk and chair that can be used for working or a makeup desk. The walls have carved spaces for storage, which is also a consistent design throughout the space. The toilet and bathroom are spacious, with the sink and shower having goldish accents. The Andavelo House is nothing short of a near-perfect stay on Lamu Island. To appreciate the island more, the rooftop has access from where you can get to sit and relax as you look at the dhow sailing or the busy island going on with its day. Andavelo House is a highly recommended stay whenever you visit Lamu.